Now let us see the problem on electron gain enthalpy, electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy and electronegativity. On the both the concept, there is a questions are there in the Narayana NEET book. So let us solve one by one question, student. What is question number one? Question number one, that is 112, and this is page number, student. If I could mention the page number for you, question number 112. Okay. So if you, page number is 98, page number for Narayana NEET book, page number this is 98. So you can match with your answers. Okay, whatever the we are solving. Ionization energy, ionization enthalpy of fluorine is 320 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so that is IE, ionization energy of fluorine, they have given how much? 320 kilojoule per mole. Okay, the electron gain enthalpy of fluorine would be, so student, that is what is the electron gain enthalpy. If you know, that is in the morning lecture we explain electron gain enthalpy is reversed of what, student? Reverse of ionization energy. Okay, ionization energy. So dear student, ionization energy is 320. So what is meaning of this, student? IE is equal to electron affinity, that is reverse means negative sign. So IE is how much? 320. So it will be minus 320 kilojoule per mole. Okay, this is per mole. So what could be the our option, student? Option number 320 kilojoule per mole. So correct option will be option number 1, student. Now let us move the next question. What is the next question? Question number 112. The element having very high ionization enthalpy but positive electron gain enthalpy is, okay, positive, student, that is the element having very high ionization enthalpy and that is positive electron gain enthalpy. So that is what is, student? Noble gases are there, noble gases. Okay, noble gases having what, student? Having either zero, okay, either zero or positive electron gain enthalpy, gain enthalpy. So noble gases is having positive, and if you are ionization potential very high. Why, student? Due to stable configuration, So student, if you talk about the option, so which is noble gas, you check with the noble gas. Helium is noble gas. This is not, this is. So helium, what is the configuration? Helium, so that is 1s2. So this is having the completely filled orbital. So ionization enthalpy will be very high and electron gain enthalpy will be positive. So correct option is option number 3. Which of the following group of elements is assigned zero electronegativity? Zero electronegativity means what, student? That is, you are not, they are not able to attract the electrons. So noble gases having the completely filled orbital, so they will not able be attract the shared paired electron towards itself. So that will be the option number 1 is correct option. Next one, the electronegativity of the following elements increases in the order. Okay, so carbon, nitrogen, silicon, phosphorus is there, student. So let us solve this problem, student. So that is how to arrange. Carbon is there, then nitrogen is there, then below carbon this silicon is there, and below nitrogen phosphorus is there. Nitrogen and phosphorus, when you are talking, student, nitrogen and phosphorus, so they are having almost zero electron gain enthalpy. Okay, they are having the zero electron gain enthalpy. So this is having the zero because of the 3p3 half filled orbital. This is, so that is the electronegativity of following element increasing order. So nitrogen is 0. So firstly it will be the nitrogen, student. Then what will be there, student? After nitrogen, they are saying that is increasing order, element increasing order. Electronegativity, not electron gain enthalpy. So left to right, student, electronegativity increases left to right. So carbon, nitrogen, so here is increasing order, and down the group it is decreasing, so firstly highest will be, that is what, nitrogen. So nitrogen will be the highest. Then what will be there, student? After nitrogen, Which element will come, student? That will come the carbon. After nitrogen, that is, it will come carbon. After carbon, that is left to right, this is also, that is coming phosphorus. And after that, what will come, student? Silicon. So you can check with the option, student, which one will be the correct option. Nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, silicon. So increasing order they are, this is the, student, this is the decreasing order, this is the decreasing. So if you are talking about the increasing order, what could be the increasing order, student? If you want to see the, one second, student, let me erase this firstly. Okay, so if you want to write the increasing order, student, increasing order, so increasing order will be, that is, nitrogen is highest, then carbon, then phosphorus, then will be the silicon. So you can match with the option, student. What is the options are there? Option number 3 is correct option, student. Option number 3. Next, the process of requiring absorption of energy. Absorption means what, student? Second, second electron gain enthalpy. Second electron gain enthalpy. Second electron gain enthalpy, is, second electron gain enthalpy is, what is the absorption process? So already oxygen negative is there, one more electron if you are adding, so you need to supply more energy. So correct option is option number 3. Other option are wrong, student. This is ionization, this is ionization, all three are ionization, this is only electronegativity. Exothermic process, question number 117. Exothermic, when you are talking about exothermic, student, what is exothermic? That is electron gain enthalpy. Which one? First electron gain enthalpy. First electron gain enthalpy is exothermic process. So which one is the correct option, student, if you are checking? So this is the second case, this is the option number 2 is the correct, student. That is oxygen, you are adding the one electron with the element oxygen, you are adding one electron, so it is converting O negative. So that is, it is the option was the exothermic process, and that is electron gain enthalpy. Okay, now next one, the correct sequence of electron affinity for carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Okay, so let us erase, then we will be able to do this option, student. Question number 118, how you will be able to do, student? 118. So that is the correct sequence of, so left to right it is the increasing, student. Okay, electron gain enthalpy. Down the group it is decreasing. Okay, so you can arrange this one. Carbon, where is the carbon? Carbon is there, student. Then carbon, nitrogen, then oxygen and fluorine. This is the, this order, student. This is, nitrogen is having the 0 electron gain enthalpy because of complete half fill orbital. Okay, half fill. Nitrogen is what, student? 2p3. So this is half fill orbital, so one electron is there, so it is not going to receive the electron, so it is having the 0 electron gain enthalpy. So if you want to arrange, the nitrogen will be the least, nitrogen will be the least. Okay, so even you if you are writing, that is carbon value is there, student, minus 127.5 kilojoule per mole, nitrogen is having 0, oxygen is having minus 141, and fluorine is having minus 328. So they are saying that is which order sequence of, the correct sequence of energy order. So student, nitrogen is 0, nitrogen is, so nitrogen is less than carbon, so nitrogen is less than carbon, so this is the first option, this is wrong. Nitrogen is less than, these two are also correct. And after nitrogen, carbon is more than nitrogen, so 2 is gone. Then oxygen is more than nitrogen, so oxygen is more than nitrogen, and fluorine is more than oxygen. So correct option is option number 1, student. Correct option will be option number 1. You can match with the option, student. Question number 18, option number 1 will be correct. The low electron affinity value of nitrogen is due to half filled 2p subshell. Half filled 2p subshell. Nitrogen is having half filled 2p orbital, student. That is why it has the 0 electron gain enthalpy. Let us write the nitrogen configuration. If you see, student, this is 1s2, this is 2s2 and 2p3. So this one p orbital, if you see, student, this is the stable half fill orbital, so it's a no electron gain enthalpy 0. Energy release in the process, energy, question number 120, student. Energy, electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy, affinity or electron gain enthalpy That is which one? First electron affinity or first electron gain enthalpy is, what is student? Exothermic process. So in this case, what is we are adding? That is one electron we are adding, so we are getting anion, so that is Na. This is ionization enthalpy. So this is second electron gain enthalpy. Correct option is option number 3, student. In the oxygen you are adding one electron, so O minus you are getting. So correct option is option number 3. Now question number 121. Energy is absorbed when second electron is added to the oxygen. Dear student, how you will be able to understand this problem? Problem number 121. So what they are saying, energy is absorbed when the electron is added to oxygen. So O minus is there. Second, energy absorbed when second electron. So one more electron if you are adding, so you are getting able to get 2 minus. Why student? 2 and 2, there is a more repulsion is there. To overcome from the repulsion and add the electron, we need to add the energy. Add the energy. So why energy is absorbed in the second electron gain enthalpy? O has repulsion with the electron to be added. So correct option will be option number 2, student. Now let us see 122. The decreasing order of electron affinity of halogen. So student, that is also I told you, that is chlorine is having the highest highest electron affinity. Then fluorine will be there, fluorine, then bromine and iodine. Okay, so you can match with the option, student. What are the option? Chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine. Option number 4 is there, student. 120. Option number, if you are checking 122, option number 4 is the correct option, student. Even if you are going to value, if you know the value, you can also solve it out also. Fluorine is there, student. It is minus 328. If you are checking chlorine, minus 324. No, 349. Chlorine is 349. If you are going for the bromine, student, it is minus 325. If you are going iodine, it is 295. So student, if you are arranging, see, so chlorine is highest, chlorine, then it will come, that is fluorine, then it is coming, that is bromine, and finally it is coming iodine. So chlorine, bromine, iodine, option 4 is correct. Now next 123. The electron affinity value of the three element X, Y, Z. What is X, Y, Z? They are giving respectively 349. Okay, 349. Then they are saying 333 and then minus 325. So they are saying that is, then X, Y, Z is. So 349 is chlorine. You can check with this one, 349 chlorine. Then 333 are there. 333 is almost approx the fluorine, and Z is 325. So that is, it is bromine. Okay. So this is the bromine. So chlorine, fluorine, bromine. So correct option is option number 2. 123. Option number 2 is the correct option, student. Now let us see, move for the question number 124. The reference elements in the Pauling scale of the electronegativity is hydrogen. Very straightforward question. You can read out the Pauling scale, student, or the tomorrow lecture we will study. The correct option is option number 1. Second one, electronegative is the property of the covalent molecule. Like that HCl is there, the electron pair will be moving to the chlorine side. So this is the property of covalent molecule. So bonded atom in the molecule. It is property of bonded atom in the molecule. Next one, 126. The value that are useful in writing the chemical formula and calculation of oxidation state is electronegativity. Correct option is option number 3, student. 126, option number will be 23. Option number will be 3. Why I am saying, student, that is, if the electronegativity, the value of the useful in writing the chemical formula, calculation of oxidation, suppose HCl is there, so it will be a negative charge, it will be positive charge. Why I am saying? Because the chlorine is having the negatively more electronegativity. So oxidation state of chlorine is -1 and it is having the positive +1. Question number 127. The electronegativity and ionization energy and electron affinity of represented as ENIPEA. Which one is the following equation is correct? So that is electronegativity is equal to ionization potential plus electron affinity by 2. This is the relation. So correct option will be option number 3. Next one is question number 28, student. 128. The second electron gain enthalpy in kilojoule per mole of oxygen and sulfur. So oxygen is adding one more, O negative is adding you more electron, so O2 minus, and sulfur is one more electron Ag, means that is S2 minus. So dear student, it is having a small size. Oxygen is a small size. So more amount of energy is needed to be, no, more amount of energy will absorb. So that is energy absorb means positive sign, 780 kilojoule per mole, and it in this case less energy will absorb, student, that is 590 kilojoule per mole. So correct option will be option number 4, student. Okay, for the second case of second electron gain enthalpy. Now let us move option number 129. So what is 129, student? You read out the option 120. The electronic configuration of 4 elements are given below. Arrange these elements in the correct order of magnitude without sign of the electron gain enthalpy. Okay, so which could have the highest electron gain enthalpy, student? So if you talk about there, this is the chlorine. This is the chlorine configuration, 3s2 3p5 chlorine, and this is the fluorine configuration. This is oxygen. Okay, and this is, if you talk about this one, this is the 3s2, this is the sulfur, this is the sulfur. Okay, so how can you arrange, student? Chlorine is the most electronegative, then fluorine, chlorine, fluorine, then what will be there, student? If you are comparing sulfur and oxygen, then it will go to the sulfur, and finally there will be the oxygen. Okay, student. So when you are going to understand this question, student, this is the 2p. Okay, so that is chlorine will be the most electronegative. So correct order, if you are writing, student, if you are going to write the correct order, so chlorine is the highest, so 2 will be the highest. Okay, chlorine, and then what will be there in, student? That will fluorine will come. So after chlorine, which one is option number? No, fluorine will come, fluorine. So that is chlorine and fluorine, so that is option number 1. Then which one will come, student? If you talk about the, then sulfur will come, this one, sulfur means that is 4, and finally that is 3. So 3 4 1 2, 3 4 1 2, so 3 4 1 2, so correct option will be option number 1. Okay, now let us move question number 130. The order of decreasing negative electron gain enthalpy of oxygen, sulfur, selenium. So if you are talking oxygen, sulfur and selenium, student, oxygen, sulfur and selenium, so you can be able to easily understand this question, student. So let us check, student. That is oxygen is minus 141. If you talk about sulfur, that is 200, and if you talk about that is selenium, 195. So they are saying the order of decreasing negative electron gain, decreasing. So most one is the sulfur, then which one will come, student? After sulfur it will come, that is selenium will come, and then oxygen will come. So sulfur, sulfur, selenium, oxygen, sulfur, selenium. Option number 4 is the correct option, student. Okay, option number, question number 131. What is the question number 130? Outermost electronic configuration of the least electronegative element in the periodic table. So this is what, student? This is the fluorine. Okay, and this is what, student? This configuration least electronegative they are saying, so this is the most electronegative. Fluorine is the having the highest electronegativity of the all the known element. This is what, student? This is the argon configuration, and this is the configuration of oxygen, and this is configuration of cesium. So top to bottom, student, when you are moving top to bottom, so electronegativity decreases. When you are moving top to bottom, student, the electronegativity get decreases. So which one is having the hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium? So when you are moving top to bottom, electronegativity decreases, student. Okay, so what we can write, student? Electronegativity decreases, electronegativity decreases, negativity decreases. So if electronegativity decreases, okay, so which one is the having the least one? Cesium will be having the least electronegative. So correct option is option number, student, option number 4. 132. Which of the following is incorrect? An element which has the high electronegativity always has high electron gain enthalpy. Okay, so what is they are saying? High, no, this is wrong, student. First itself era. So this is fluorine is most electronegative, and okay, next one they are saying, and chlorine highest, HEI, highest electron gain enthalpy, highest electron gain enthalpy. So that both are the different, student. So whatever they are saying, an element which have high electronegativity always have high electron gain enthalpy is the wrong statement. So we are not reading all the statement. Okay, student. Now next question is question number 33. So if you are going question number 33, student, what is the Pauling electronegativity scale is based upon the experimental value of bond energy. Okay, so that is this is totally based on the bond energy, student. Next one is there, the chemical elements are arranged in the order of increasing electronegativity. Okay, so that is the two things are there. Either you memorize the values for this one for question number 134, or you know the order. So how can you solve this one, question number 134, student? 134. So if you are solving the 134, so what are the elements are there, student? If you see, the elements are there 134, that is silicon, phosphorus, selenium, bromine, chlorine, oxygen. Okay, silicon, phosphorus, selenium. Okay, you write down, student, silicon, phosphorus and selenium. This is the silicon, phosphorus and selenium. Bromine, chlorine, oxygen. Okay, next one is, what is order? Bromine, chlorine and oxygen. So this, if you are asking, student, so what is that is, below carbon there is silicon is there, below nitrogen there is phosphorus is there, below oxygen there is oxygen, then again oxygen is already given here, oxygen. Okay, so oxygen is there, but here is selenium is there. Okay, next one is there, chlorine and bromine. So here is fluorine is not there, chlorine and bromine is there. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 2 4 2 6. So now, student, what we are doing, electronegativity increases on moving left to right, okay. So student, if you are moving left to right, so this is order, and here if you are saying top to bottom decreases, okay, top to bottom decreases, so this will be order. So they are saying, so that is how we will be able to write, student, for this one. Answer will be, firstly will be that is silicon, then will be coming that is, then it will come phosphorus, then will coming selenium, okay, then it will come that is bromine, and then it will come that is chlorine, and finally most electronegative is oxygen in this case. So you can check with the option, student, silicon, phosphorus, selenium, bromine, chlorine, oxygen. Okay, silicon, phosphorus, selenium, bromine, chlorine, oxygen. So correct option is first number option itself is the correct option, student. 135. Arrange the halogen, the correct order of amount of energy released in electron gain enthalpy. So what is the correct order of energy released? Okay, so that is fluorine. If you are talking about the fluorine, student, so fluorine is there minus 328. Chlorine, if you are going, minus 349. If you are going, that is bromine, student, bromine minus 325. If you are going iodine, student, iodine minus 295. So correct order of, they are saying, that is arrange the halogen correct order of amount of energy released in electron gain enthalpy. So correct, the most energy is releasing here, student, that is chlorine is highest energy releasing. So this is the, they are saying, firstly chlorine, then what is coming, student? If you talk about fluorine, so chlorine is having, then chlorine is also higher than what is, student? Bromine is higher than iodine. So F, is high, then first is FCl, Bri. Option number 3 is correct option, student. This is wrong, option number 3 only correct, student. Now let us move, student, question number 136. What is question number 136, student? Calculate the electronegativity of chlorine. If the electronegativity of fluorine is, ENF, electronegativity of fluorine is 4, and given excess bond energy of ClF is, ClF is there already 14.68 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so how you will be able to solve, student? 136, let us move here and use the Pauling scale. So according to Pauling scale, of electronegativity. So what is the equation for this, student? That is E, electronegativity of fluorine minus electronegativity of chlorine, equal to K and root of, that is delta sign. Delta sign means what is there? This is resonance energy. Resonance energy, right, student? And this is the conversion factor 0.208. Okay, and this one for fluorine they have given answer in the 4. So 4 minus electronegativity of chlorine is equal to 0.208, and root of this is also given 14.05. so if you are solving electronegativity of chlorine is equal to 4 minus 0.208 and root of 14.05, and if you solve it out, student, it is coming 3.22 electron volt. So electronegativity of chlorine is 3.22. so you can match with the option, student. What are the option? One 3.2. Correct option is option number 2, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends.